Do you want lots of flowers to bloom in your garden?
Then you should plant Rangoon creeper flowers in your garden.
Although this flower blooms more during the summer and rainy season, it blooms every few days throughout the year.
This is a vine-like flowering plant. When the vine grows and the stem thickens, this flowering plant lives longer.
Vines also grow from the base and roots of this plant. Seedlings are also grown by cutting branches, or cutting vines growing at the base of plant and planting them in the ground.
This plant is also very easy to care for. It is a low-maintenance plant.
This plant grows without any care when planted in the ground.
However, if you plant this plant in a container, the plant requires some care. For example, you should add some organic fertilizer to the plant pot every month. This will help the plant grow better. You can apply homemade liquid fertilizer to the plant twice a month. This will provide the plant with adequate nutrition. Place the plant pot in a place where it gets direct sunlight, and water the plant regularly. If necessary, trim unnecessary branches from the plant.